Rise, the height-adjustable desk from ISE, will revolutionize your office. As a society, we sit on average 11 hours per day. Sitting disease is leading to repetitive strain injuries, slower metabolisms, and even heart disease, obesity, and diabetes. With Rise, users can burn an extra 60 calories per hour by standing while they work. Medical research shows that we should constantly alternate our working position, standing for 15 minutes every hour. Only with Rise can users stand at a push of a button, completely effort-free. Favorite positions can even be preset and saved into memory. Rise is beautifully designed with no lower crossbar and a height range of 22 to 48 inches, meeting the new ANSI BIFMA standards for height adjustment. The unique design of Rise means it is width adjustable, so one base fits tabletops from 48 to 84 inches wide. A keyboard tray can be added quickly with no need for modifications or spacers. Rise is available in 2, 3, or 4-leg versions with 90 or 120-degree corners to fit all applications in the modern office. The electric motors in each leg provide fast and smooth adjustment with an industry-leading 300-pound weight capacity and the lowest power usage of any adjustable table on the market. Rise is the industry's greenest electric table, using less than 50 cents of electricity per year in standby. With Rise, there is no need to recalibrate the table as more weight is added, and no leg creep so often seen in counterbalanced tables. The unique anti-collision function ensures that the motors automatically stop when the table hits an impediment. Unlike cheaper alternatives, Rise is European-made with German motors and comes with a 10-year warranty backed by ISE, a trusted name in ergonomics. As a full-service solution provider, ISE can provide a wide range of tops and all the accessories needed to make your Rise table a complete solution. Research proves height-adjustable tables significantly boost employees' productivity by enabling blood flow when standing. Boost your employees' productivity and invest in their happiness and well-being. Upgrade to Rise today.